What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, the market did what it did best. Up, down, all around, man. Confused traders, man. The market was doing its thing today. You know, we had the sell-off this morning. Then in the evening, it was going up. Then it was back selling off. Long story short, we end up having Trump talking earlier today, and we had Jerome Powell talking. So Trump, you know, he got up there, defending his tariffs, doing what he do. Market was selling off. Jay Powell comes, eases a few fears, market ends up riding. So Palantir ended up doing a few percent today, I think like 4 or 5%. We up $384, and I'm gonna show y'all everything we did. We actually did a lot of trading today, man. So we'll get into it. So with the Palantir position, as y'all can see, we got a call and a put. So yesterday we had a put. This morning when it started going up, we actually sold that put for like a small loss, maybe like 15%, something like that. And I actually bought a call and a put at the same time. So first thing we did, we had a put that we actually made money off of twice today, and we ended up rolling it. We rolled it until we got this $69 put, which we're down on. So even though this one's down 69%, we actually made money on the put like multiple times already. So that's cool. That's cool. And we got the call. While we was making money on the put, we was on the call, and the market's bouncing. So now the call might go if the market continues to go on Monday. Got our other positions getting hit up. We up to 93.3 shares of Palantir for trading it at $85 at the hour. We got Tesla trying to bounce back a little bit, still going through it. SPY, we at 954 worth of SPY. Got Vistra Energy, Walmart, you know what I'm saying. Oklo getting hit up, you know what I'm saying. Nvidia's doing their thing. They back at 112. So you know they still trying to survive their journey. We got MicroStrategy and iBit out here still down. Bitcoin reserve is not saving them. You know what I'm saying? So it can still get real over there. Meta, I need to add to some Meta. IBM did alright today. Robinhood at 44, man. I definitely added to Robinhood today, man. Google, Amazon, still down. Need to add to those. Like I say, you know, Trump sell-offs heating up. Man. So the way I really want to play this thing is, I'm probably gonna be stepping up like the size of some of my puts or calls. You know, once we get like more of a clear direction, because this is gonna be a lot of money to be made, whether we want to decide to keep tanking or whether we decide to go up. So I'm definitely interested in that. I'm definitely gonna be looking at that. Let me show you a little bit of the history, so I can show y'all what I did. You know what I mean? I was rolling them puts on the 7th. Yeah, we sold that. See what I mean? Bought the put in the call. Started buying Tesla. Then we started selling it, buying it. Sold one for 166, bought one for 112. One for 112, we sold for 132, bought the one that we got now. Then we actually made money off the call as well. So, you know, we try and do our thing. We try to hang in there. So let's look at a few of these stocks, man. We got Tesla down 0.3, which ain't bad. Nvidia did 1.9. Palantir did 5.5. SoFi did 1%. The QQQ and the SPY did 0.5 and 0.74 respectively. Let's see. HIMS did 4.5. Let's see. Soundhound did 2%. Yeah, the market tried to bounce back today a little bit, but you know, we're far from out the water yet. You know what I'm saying? But it could have been worse. A lot of these stocks are really down early in the day, so I'm not mad at it. Let's look at Nvidia first. Let's see. Oh, that's 2 minutes. I was just about to say. Alright. So as far as Nvidia, we wick below a fair value gap, really small fair value gap, and we actually bounce. Bounce now we're back above previous days low. I want to see, can they invert this break of structure area first? Yeah, and if they're able to do that, I want to see, can they hold? Then I'd be looking for them to get back to this 120. That used to be support, so now it's resistance. So I want to see, can we at least reclaim this 120 and maybe break above that, close that, see where we can go from there. If we do keep falling, it's that 109 area and this 106.54 area. And if we fall below there, all hell is gonna break loose. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let's look at the next one real quick. Let's see. Palantir. Alright. So it's like I say, it's on these charts. Like they say, a lot of these stocks are starting to give us real, like, signs they might be bottoming. You know what I mean? So we came to the equal low area for the 3rd time and bounced. We shall see. We shall see. We're also above previous day's low. We also weakened above our old fair value gap. We're going back into the earnings gap. So if they can close here and go up, that'll be good. But like as you can see, it's still a pretty big uphill battle, man. They got a pretty big uphill battle. We're gonna have to turn that whole earnings gap into support again, which was gonna be hard to do. We got 77, and we're saying equilibrium 75 to 70 if we keep falling. If we don't keep falling, it looks like a bounce point, but if we do keep falling, we're gonna hit some new lows. So anyway, look at this QQQ and get up out of here. Okay. This is what everybody's been talking about, man. You know, they say the last time this happened, we rode, like years ago when we went to that 200, went below it, tested it, and we ended up riding like a whole year after that. So everybody is extremely interested in what's going to happen with this 200 EMA. We reclaimed it a little bit, like at least we're above it. We haven't like seriously closed above it, but we're trying to close above it. So I'm very interested in what's going to happen here. This definitely is supposed to be a bounce zone. So unless we get some really bad macro, it should bounce here. But you know, gotta take everything with a grain of salt on these charts, especially in this market. But yeah, we fall. I'm thinking that 478, and if we fall below that 478, it's just abyss. We're going straight to 450, man. But you know, everybody who out here in this market, I know this sell-off get real, but if you did your research, now's the time to load up on the companies you love the most, the ones you know and love. And it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go out for the evening, but you know I had to make that video for y'all first. So you know I'm about to go get ready, about to go get dressed, about to go do my thing. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.